Those sperm count is not what you use antibiotics to treat. Just let me know only when a health issue. Only when a health issue. Here the canal, you were infection, just they go antibiotics or treat infection. Or na they go to okra. Okra. Okay, oh, enough okra. Go to okra. Be with so good. The very no baby. If may attack by tomorrow evening, if you don't have a half class now, you go to tomato or UTC. Now, my now the tomato now. Before you may 2 weeks, your sperm count will be okay, 100% okay. The same thing when you have ulcer, chronic ulcer, na. Get with all also for a minute now. One before you may within the space of 7 days to 8 days, ulcer now final, you will not suffer it again.
I hear you.
You hear me?
I hear you.
That is number 1. Number 2, and you read the very common. I didn't hear them now. Only you read my own law. They will remember just ordinary mammy. I say, and family. Where is about within 3 days, you knew now. My own law to go, not by our they attack progress, better progress. Soon, they may have one. Within 3 days, and you die. I want to stop here again.
Amen.
You know, come.
I hear you.
You hear me?
I hear you.
Finally,
Where's my
finally, poison. The man is very opposite of poison. Then there is poison. Then we never let that. Ever let that poison. When if I whereby young one you 419 Abarakata. Our Russian now take for poison name. The very common to you. Number 1 is urine. Number 2 is charcoal. Number 3 is black stone.
I hear you.
So if only in the poison, I'm not the Aria effect. Chop panel in the poison immediately. Yeah, but I'm no way. Let us go for the top. If even German and man the poison goes here now. You see now. You can on the take out to even in the fence na club second and you don't have weakness in middle. In case what? Obi don't be so na for. Hello.
Hi.
Then we to heat and I'm able to see. Also they have na AC. Heat the bit. If I know to tell you, if I know that already, no really food poison. Just nyanya no mammy, that's all. All mammy